Hello, now it's time to test the EX5 drone manufactured by Eachine. We will first show how it should be calibrated before you actually can fly the drone. It is mentioned in the instructions that you need to perform gyroscope and compass calibration, and it is important, I should say, because in the past I lost one of Eachine drones that also stated the same thing, and in the instructions for this drone it says that the drone may fail if the compass calibration is bad, which means that you may be flying over water. Let's say what happened to me in the past. Push the return button and the drone may get confused, and if it happens, the drone automatically starts landing, which means the drone would land into water or into the forest and you lose the drone. So it's important to perform this calibration procedures before you fly. Also, the return automatic function is triggered when the battery goes low or when the drone gets out of the range of the remote control. So if it happens and the compass calibration is bad, you again can lose the drone, because it will decide to just land because it can't come back because something is not adjusted correctly in the drone. So it's important. So how do we do that first? So let's turn on the drone. Then we turn on the remote control and we perform with this movement diagonal both sticks to perform the gyroscope calibration. You see the LED lights were blinking quickly and then start blinking quickly, which means that the gyroscope calibration was done correctly. Then we need to push the compass calibration button, this one, and pick up the drone. It should be like a bit higher over the ground, like 1 meter high over the ground, and you need to start turning it in the counterclockwise direction. You see the lights blinking in the front. Now you heard the sound. It means that the first step of the compass calibration is done. Now you need to turn the drone like this and start turning it in the clockwise direction. Now we heard the second beeping sound, and means that the compass calibration has been performed. Now we need to wait for the drone to get the GPS signal. Normally this LED should stop blinking when the GPS signal is caught. It may take some time. You still can fly the drone if it doesn't get any GPS signal, but it will mean that the drone, when taking off, will not record any coordinates and the return button will not work, which means that if the drone decides to return back on its own, it will start landing at that point. Now you heard the sound and the LED stopped blinking, which means that we've got the GPS signal, and now we can fly and we can be sure that the coordinates, GPS coordinates, will be recorded. Now before we fly, we need to turn on our application and connect the drone to the app. This drone doesn't record videos to the SD card. It doesn't have any SD card. It has nothing here, although there is something like a space here, but there's no SD card. So you won't be able to record any videos or make photos if you don't connect the drone to the phone. Now we should be having the Wi-Fi signal coming from the drone, and you need to have a cell phone that would support Wi-Fi 5 standard. Now I'm checking my phone, and it looks like this: Wi-Fi 5G 4K GPS EX5. So it's now connected, and I can now turn on the application. It's important to turn on the application after you connect your cell phone to the drone via Wi-Fi. And the application used for this drone is called Eachine Pro. When you turn on this application, it will ask you to choose the mode, outdoor mode or indoor mode. This drone supports indoor mode, and it has a camera on the bottom which works like a GPS, but it's not a GPS. It's analyzing the picture that it's taking and helps to keep the drone stable in the air. That's why you have two options. For now we're flying outside, so we'll choose outside. And it's telling me that I need to calibrate the drone. You can understand that the rotation here is counterclockwise. And now the application is on. I mean, it allowed me to enter the application. And as you can see, the drone is stable in the air, which means the GPS signal is strong and is able to control itself in the air. Now I have a little bit of a wind, and it's still doing well. Now I'm getting even a stronger wind, and it's still good.